What exactly does a title company do and how do we choose one? We'll talk about this in this video coming up. Stick around.
Hi, I'm Robert Cackett with Xtreme International Realty, serving South Florida and here to help you reach your real estate goals.
Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about what a title company or attorney does within a real estate transaction. Now, once we have an executed contract, once our offer is accepted and we begin the closing process, the attorney or title company really has an important role to play because it's their job to protect the best interests of everybody who's involved and make sure that the transaction flows seamlessly from executed contract to a successful closing. Now, first we're going to talk about a couple of regional idiosyncrasies. For example, here in Florida, it's important to note that an attorney is not required to be involved in a real estate transaction. So we are not an attorney state. Therefore, a lot of the transactions are handled by title companies who have many attorneys working for them and are often attorney owned. Second, and this is even more regional, not all counties are the same in terms of who buys and pays for title insurance and therefore chooses a title company. So for example, in Miami-Dade and in Broward County, buyer chooses and pays for title, whereas in Palm Beach County, the seller chooses and pays for title. Now that doesn't mean that you're stuck with whoever the seller chose in Palm Beach, or if you're the buyer, the seller has to use who you chose. No, there is a certain amount of flexibility. You can each choose your own, but as far as paying for title insurance and basically the searches that come with that, each county is a little bit different. As a general rule, whoever chooses a title insurance company pays for title insurance. Choosing a good attorney or title company is something that cannot be taken lightly. Remember, they're the ones that tie everything down, everything together to end the transaction. You know, they will make sure that everything is clear. If you're the buyer, that you're going to receive a property that is free and clear of any kinds of problems. So much so that they will issue title insurance to you to give you that extra boost of protection. And if you're a seller, you want to make sure that everything is good so that you can receive payment for your home. They're also the ones that are going to close the transaction and tie everything together, get the documents to the lender, give the keys to the buyer, and obviously give the proceeds to the seller after whatever payoffs or whatever disbursements need. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you in knowing a little bit more about what a title company is or what an attorney does in a real estate transaction. If you need more information on other parts of the real estate transaction, look in the comments below. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and see you soon.